Welcome everybody, this is an interesting question. So foremost, let me draw the figure for this. Is 45 degrees and this angle is given to be as 15 degrees. We are expected to find this angle theta. Okay, you can pause the video and try to solve this question. I hope you have got the answer, so let's do it. Now foremost, what I wish to do is I would like to find this angle. Now if you were to see this figure, I'm drawing triangle ADC. Okay, so this is ADC and there is a stretch here. Now this stretch is carrying an angle of 45 degrees. Now this is called the exterior angle. Now by exterior angle theorem, we have this angle is given already 15 degrees. So by exterior angle theorem, angle A plus angle C will be equal to 45 degrees. Angle A is 15 degrees, angle C we are trying to get it. So from here angle C is going to be 45 negative 15. That is going to give us 30 degrees. So angle C is 30 degrees. Okay. Now from the law of triangle, angle C plus angle A plus angle D is 180. So I want to get this entire angle, right? So angle A is 15 degrees, angle C is 30 degrees, angle D is required, so this is equal to 180. So from here angle D is equal to 180 negative 45. So what do you get from 180? You take away 45, 10, 5, 7 and 135 will be the answer. So this entire angle is 135. So going back to the original picture, this is 30, this entire angle is 135 degrees. Okay, now there is one more information given in the question. So these two sides are given to be equal. So BD is equal to DC. Okay, so next what I wish to do is I would like to draw from D, I would like to drop a line so that it is of same length as DC. Okay, so if I were to drop that line, so I'm drawing this line here. Okay, E, I'm making sure that DE is equal to DC, so these two are same. Since they are same, this means triangle EDC is isosceles. Okay, so this in turn would mean angle at E would be 30 degrees. So this is going to be 30 degrees. Okay. Now I want to get this angle. Okay. So I want to get this angle now. So for that, I'm using the law of triangles. So by law of triangles, angle E plus angle C plus angle D is 180. Angle E is 30, angle C is 30, angle D we need to get. So angle D is 180 minus 60 degrees. So this is going to be 120 degrees. So angle D is what? 120. So this is 120 degrees. Now this entire angle is 135. So I need to get this portion. Okay, this portion is required. I need to get this portion. Okay, so consider, I'm using the space, consider triangle ADE. So to get this angle at this point D, from 135 I'm going to take away, angle at D is nothing but from 135 you take away 120, you get 15 degrees. Okay, so therefore in triangle ADE, angle D is 15 degrees. So go and place this 15 degrees. Now clearly you see we have 15 degrees here and 15 degrees there. So that means DE and AE are going to be one and the same, right? So these two lines are going to be same. So what is the meaning of it? The meaning is we are still having an isosceles there. Okay, so I'm just going to state that since AE is equal to DE, this means angle AED or ADE is an isosceles triangle. So that in turn means I can now get angle at E. I want the angle at E. So angle at E is going to be 180 minus 30, which is going to be 150 degrees. So this entire angle is going to be 150 degrees. What I wish to do is I would like to complete the triangle by joining B and E. Okay. Now clearly you see BD, I'm going to use this space here. Okay, so clearly BD is equal to DE. So this means triangle BED is isosceles. Okay, so this means angle at B should be equal to angle at E. Now since angle at D, this is 45 plus 15 is 60 degrees. So the only possibility that angle B and angle E will be equal is if they are also equal to 60 degrees. Okay, they should be equal to 60 degrees. So we have an equilateral triangle. Okay, so this means angle B will be equal to angle E will be equal to angle D. This means triangle BED is equilateral, right? That means they all are of the same length. Now this is already given here as 60, right? So this angle and this angle is 60 and 90. Okay, so what I need to do is I need to get this portion. Okay, I need to figure out what is this portion. Okay, so for that I need to utilize the angle property. So this entire angle is 150, so 150 I take away 60. So what do you get? 150 you take away 60, you get 90. So you have a right triangle here. Okay, now you see here this BE and AE are now isosceles. Okay, so let me write that down here. Since BE is equal to AE implies triangle AEB is isosceles, right? So this in turn would mean angle at A will be equal to angle at B. Okay, so this is 90 degrees, right? So what is the possibility of angle B and angle A? So this means this is going to be 45 degrees and this is going to be 45 degrees. So 45 degrees I'm writing. Okay, so this means angle at A is theta plus 15 degrees is equal to 45 degrees, right? So what is theta? 45 minus 15, therefore theta is equal to 30 degrees. Okay, so this is a lovely question and we just solved it. Now remember, there are several steps. Now each of these steps that I've just shown you here can be asked as a probable question, right? Probability is there. And please try this out and we'll come back again with another question. Thank you everybody. Please like, share, subscribe.